Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix dictation is not working on your iPhone and iPad iOS 16. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply open settings, and from here you have to scroll it down, and from here you have to search for screen time. So from here you have to scroll it down, and then you have to tap on content and privacy restrictions. Now from here you have to put the password, and then you have to tap on allow apps and make sure that if this toggle is turned on, Siri and dictations, if this toggle is turned on, you have to turn it off at least for the 30 second, and then you have to turn it on again and then go back from here. And after that what you need to do is just simply open settings again, and then you have to scroll it on, tap on general. From here scroll it on, tap on keyboard. Now from here you have to make sure that if this toggle is turned on, you have to turn it off, and then you have to turn it on again. Okay guys, so you have to turn it on again, and after that check whether your palm has been fixed or not. And if upon like this there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings, and from here you have to scroll it on, tap on general. Now tap on software update and make sure that your device is updated to the latest version. And after that you have to open settings. Now scroll it on, from here you have to tap on general, scroll it on all the way, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset. So from here you have to reset your all settings. Now tap on reset all setting to confirm the process. This will reset all setting, no data or media will be deleted. And after that you have to open settings again, scroll it on, tap on general, scroll it on all the way, tap on shut down. Now slide the slider to the right side, and after that you have to turn on your device, and after that open settings again, and from here scroll it on, tap on Siri and search, and make sure that if this toggle is turned on, so you have to turn on all of these toggles. And after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that is guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.